Riot has the people. Riot hired the people that they needed for Classic Plus.
Blizzard would
It's
just
right
keep
there in your
developing
face.
the old World of Warcraft in the exact same way old school RuneScape does it. Now, where things get really interesting is that among the current work of the Riot MMO, as well as Blizzard's doing, they are already slowly bringing back the MMO hype, but now there is a new titan rising. And looking at what was mentioned today already, Riot, you better pay attention to the industry.